Hi there, it is Simon here and welcome to another lesson. Today we are going to tackle the solo in While My Guitar Gently Weeps by the Beatles and Eric Clapton. See you in a second. Alright, so let's have a look at this tune. We are playing predominantly in the key of A minor. We're going to play basically an A minor pentatonic pattern for the most of the part. Before we do get into it though, please do subscribe and click the bell for future lessons. There are 2 every single week. There's also over 400 lessons here on my channel, so please do check those out. That sounded a bit like an aeroplane. Crazy. Remember those? Alright, so I'm just in regular tuning. Let's kick it off. The very first phrase, we are going to pre-bend an A to a C, 14 to basically 17, and we're going to go, okay, so we've got, all right, now, so we've got an A, we bend that to C, we're going to pre-bend that, and then we're going to do a hammer on from 12 to 14, and then bend the 14 up a semitone and tone and a half, sorry. So, and then with your second finger you're going to bend half a tone, 15 to 17 effectively, and then, I know, right? So, I don't mind that. It doesn't say that on the chart, but it sounds more Clapton-y. I don't know. Okay, then we've got 2 phrases which are exactly the same. Okay, so we're going to hammer on G to A, bend, and then another big bend. When you get to the top, give it a wobble and very slowly make it come down, right? So you're going to go, see what I mean? All right, then we get the same thing again, and then the next phrase. Okay, so the same thing starts the same way, A to G, G to A, and then up to C. So you're going to get, and then you're going to bend 15, which is a D, up to E. That rings over the bar, and then you're going to catch that A with your little finger, G with your little finger, and then come back down. So that's 15 there, right? So we get, pull off to 13, and then we're going to bend, little finger, and then back down. Okay, that lick again, and then we're going to bend a G, come down, up, twice onto the next line, right? And you hold that up. So we've got, okay, into the next bit. So, like, whilst there are phrases, it's not like it really kind of stops. It's not like a phrase, stop, in this section at least. So from that 12 to 14, catch that top one whilst this is up, and then 4 and 1 and 2, okay, and then we're going to come back down, pull off to 12, and then bend up, on that 15 again. Hit the 15. And then okay, that takes us to that C, 13 in that fourth bar on this line. So let's just do those last two bars on this line. So we've got 13 to 15, so we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 E. Yeah. And then you're going to play that 13 and that lasts for 2 beats, right? And then you're going to go up, okay, and then immediately you're going to play the second last phrase. Okay, so that is the bend. So we, and then we've got 12, 14, hammer, 12. So yeah, and that stops. There's a rest there. So you've got yeah. So it's basically 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and yeah. So that you see that little dead semiquaver, 16th. Sorry. So we're going and then 3 and 4. Okay. And then the final phrase is okay, so we've got a standardy bluesy thing. So we've got 12 to 14, hammer, 12 to 14 on the G string, hammer. Hit that again, slide into 17, so from A to C, and then C to D, and then D. Oh, not that far. D, E. Yeah. See, that's the same note there. That's also an E. So just an A minor pentatonic first position thing here. And then we're going to go pre-bend. Yeah, that was terrible. Pre-bend. And then up we go. And that is how you play the solo in While My Guitar Gently Weeps by the Beatles. Obviously Eric Clapton plays this bit. I think he also played on a Les Paul. I did some little sneaky internet looking and it told me that he played on a Les Paul. So fortunately I had one just, you know, hanging around. So that was awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you would like the chart that I'm following, just go to www.simonmorell.com/free-chart. If you would like to support the channel, and let's hope you do, you can do that from only $3 a month. You get a whole bunch of awesome stuff, and as the tiers go up, you get more and more stuff. At $8 a month, you get access to every single chart I've ever written, which is over 3,000 charts. So go and check that out at patreon.com/Simon Morell. And finally, I will see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Hope you enjoy learning this tune. See you later. Bye for now.